Hey, it's Ed Curran. I have a noon weather update for you. Sitting here in the Morton Grove area, you can see some raindrops on my windshield, and that's what we've been looking at. Snow and rain and sleet as you get further to the north here. So what's falling right now? Well, I see it bouncing on the hood of my car here, and if you listen carefully, you can hear the tick, tick, tick of the frozen little pellets that are hitting the car as some small, light sleet is mixed in with some of the raindrops and maybe even a snowflake or two that we saw until moments ago. So from time to time, you'll see that changeover happen. And it's very predictable when it happens and where it happens, though the chances are as you head further north, you're going to see that sort of thing. Now, we did have a winter weather advisory in place till 1 p.m. today. That's been extended to 7 p.m. for Lake and McHenry counties and Boone County and areas to the north of there as it's colder there, and they have more wintry precipitation. They've seen freezing rain, they've seen some sleet, they've seen some snowflakes as well. As you work your way to the north, we should see it more of a changeover to snow as we get to the mid-afternoon hours, I think 2 o'clock or so, as you start to head to the north. Eventually, everybody sees colder air as we head into the nighttime hours, and everybody sees a little bit of a changeover to some snow in the air. Should not amount to very much, but up near the state line, you could have a small accumulation. The ground's been a little on the warm side, so it's springtime snow in Chicago. But it's cold outside, and it still is a little breezy out, though not as windy as it was yesterday. So that's where we're taking a look at a mix of precip around the Chicago area, and we should see it change over to snow this evening. But as you get further north, even this afternoon, you see some frozen precip. And again, in the last half hour here, we've seen rain, we've seen freezing rain, we've seen a little bit of sleet, and we've seen perhaps a few snowflakes in the air as well. It's really, as when we call it a wintry mix, this is like the definition of wintry mix. So hang in there. Things will get better, though I will tell you, for the next 10 days, we stay below the norm, even if it's just a little below the norm in the last 3 days of the 10-day forecast. But we continue to run on the cold side in Chicago.